In this video, I'll show you how to make a Venn diagram in Lucidchart step by step, even if you're starting from scratch. A Venn diagram is a super simple and effective way to compare ideas, show overlap, and organize information visually. Whether you're making one for school, work, or a presentation, Lucidchart makes the process fast and easy. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the plus new button to start a new document. From here, you have two good options. If you want a completely custom design, choose blank document. If you want to move faster, click create from template and search for Venn diagram to find a pre-built layout that you can edit right away. If you chose a blank document, the next step is to enable the Venn diagram shapes. Look at the left-hand shape menu and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click more shapes and the shape library window will open. In the Shapes tab, search for Venn diagrams or scroll through the available libraries until you find it. Once you see it, check the box next to the Venn diagrams library, then click Use Selected Shapes. This adds the correct diagram shapes to your Lucidchart toolbar. Now, it's time to build the actual diagram. On the left side, locate the Venn diagram shapes you just added. Click and drag the circles onto your canvas. If you're creating a standard 2-circle Venn diagram, drag 2 circles into place. If you need 3 or more sets, add the additional circles and arrange them so they overlap in the middle. The overlap is the most important part because that's where you'll show what the groups have in common. Once your circles are on the page, adjust the formatting so the intersections are easy to see. Click on the shape to select it, then use the formatting bar at the top of the canvas. Open the shape options and look for the opacity control. Lower the opacity to around 50%. This makes the circles slightly transparent, which helps you see the overlap areas more clearly and keeps the diagram looking clean and professional. After that, add labels and text to each section of the diagram. You can drag the text tool from the left panel onto the canvas, then click and type the names of each category. For example, you might label one circle with one topic and the second circle with another topic. Then use separate text boxes in the overlapping section to describe the shared traits, similarities, or common elements. If you want, you can also use sticky notes for extra details or supporting examples. Take a moment to fine-tune the layout. Make sure the circles are evenly spaced, the overlap is centered, and the labels are readable. You can resize the circles, move the text, and adjust colors if needed until the diagram looks exactly how you want. Lucidchart makes it easy to keep everything organized, so don't be afraid to tweak the design a few times before you finalize it. When your Venn diagram is finished, you can share it or download it. If you want to collaborate with the team, click the blue share button in the top right corner and send a link so other people can view or edit it in real time. If you want to save a copy to your device, go to File, then Download As, and choose a format like PDF or PNG. That way you can use your diagram in slides, documents, or reports, and that's how to make a Venn diagram in Lucidchart. It's quick, flexible, and perfect for comparing ideas visually. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.